Established in 2018, Mix&Home Cambodia is located at the Sihanoukville Special Economic Zone, less than 10 miles away from the nearest autonomous port. With the current production capacity of our Cambodia factory, combining with our widely held furniture design skills and decades of managerial expertise from our Chinese management team, Mix&Home Cambodia marks our latest effort in providing the most cost-efficient solutions and the best manufacturing service in class. Mix&Home Cambodia houses 4 production factories and spans over 50,000 square meters, housing 800 workers with a capacity to produce 400 shipping containers every month. We specialize in production including sofa, recliner sofas, accent chairs, swivel chairs, adjustable beds, and convertible sofa beds. In the near future, we plan to expand our production capacity and increase our workforce to 2,000, and we plan to produce 800 shipping containers per month.